Here we have a historical library and a guy fixing his hairpiece. Watch it blow in the wind.
It's Nick Wells, new to We Just Chillin' TV. Guy over here with the toupee. That's some good ass soup though.
I'm really trying not to laugh.
Do it.
Okay, now he takes the camera. Alright, don't lean your head back too far, buddy. Nick, you want to stay over here and watch this?
Yeah, gotcha.
He just bent down. Alright. Zoom in on the hair, see if it's okay.
What the hell?
He is a professional, I see it.
How would you put on a toupee? Would you use glue?
I don't know. That's a good question.
Tape? I think tape would be logical.
Yeah.
But
personally, I'd duct tape it. There it is right there.
Yeah.
Oh, this is terrible. Oh, goddamn. Oh, my. Oh, shit.
It's just gonna blow away.
Hey, Nick, come back over here. This motherfucker's got... Look at this shit. He's got a dead cat on his head. Look at that. This possum on his head. This koala on his head is hanging on for dear life. I'm checking out this dude with the with a cat on his head that's hanging on for dear life. Oh yeah, we're recording, guy.
Did the wind blow it off yet?
He goes off into the mist.
He got embarrassed. He knows he's gonna be on YouTube.
Goodbye.